In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, we need to open up Slack on your desktop. Once you're in, navigate to any conversation where you want to share your Google Drive files. This could be a direct message with a colleague or a group chat. Now, take a look at the message field at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a little icon that looks like a slash. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a command menu. In this menu, you'll want to start typing Google Drive. Just type Google, and you should see the Google Drive option pop up. Click on it. Once you've selected Google Drive, Slack will give you several options for what type of file you want to create. You can choose to create a document, a presentation, or a spreadsheet. Just select the one that fits your needs best. After you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to add a title for your file. This is important because it helps your colleagues know exactly what the document is about. Take a moment to type in a descriptive title. You can also add a message to give some context about the file you're creating. This could be anything from a brief description of its purpose to instructions on how to use it. Now, here's a crucial step. Directly below where it says Share this document, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that, and you can choose to share the file with a specific person or channel. If you're working on a project that involves multiple people or needs to be shared with a wider audience, this is the place to specify who gets access. If, however, you're not quite ready to share your file yet, maybe you're still working on it, or need to make some more edits, don't worry. You can simply untick the box next to Share this document. This way, you can create and save your file privately until it's ready for others to see. Once you're satisfied with the title, message, and sharing options, it's time to finalize everything. Click on the Create button. This will generate your Google Drive file, and if you opted to share it, the specified individuals or channels will have access to it in their Slack conversations. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Google Drive file within Slack. It's a great way to collaborate with your team in real time. You can now easily edit your document, presentation, or spreadsheet, and everyone you shared it with can see the updates. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy sharing, and see you in the next video.